Hello friends, I'm Ehsan from eBangalore This is a very posh location of RBI layout, JP Nagar 7th phase, Shine Villa number 30, owner built independent house available for sale. Just 3 kilometers from Outer Ring Road, walkable distance from metro station. We are looking at the 4BHK Triplex House which is there on first, second and third floor directly. In this video I'm going to show you the main house only. This has 4BHK plus 1BHK in the ground floor. Beautiful interior work and high quality construction. All granite flooring, 100% teakwood doors and windows. North facing main door. This is full living room in the center. Semicircular staircase with a skylight and beautiful chandelier on top. It's a grand staircase. Living room having a chandelier and designer fan. Ground floor 1BHK and 2-car parking. West facing 3040 BDA Khata site. If you know, RBI layout is a society by BD approved society made by RBI employees. So perfect vastu is there. Owner built it for own use. Pillar construction. This is kitchen in the southeast corner. Full modular kitchen. Well maintained house. Just cleaning is required and one coat of painting which owner is willing to do, as well as owner is giving an offer that all bathroom fittings will be replaced with brand new fittings. That is included in the price. So this is Pooja room and dining. Pooja room is east facing, east west orientation, complete wall cladding. Teakwood has been used for the Pooja room. Mint condition house. I will say as good as a new house. Lots of balconies are there. So this is a balcony to the back side, utility and balcony. Fully secured and covered with safety grill. And to the northeast corner they have a tulsi plant. So this is the northeast corner of the house. Extended, projected to the end. Dining, kitchen, center living room. Towards the roadside, master bedroom with a balcony and attached bathroom. Almost 3 balconies are there in this house. I am going to show you complete house of this duplex 4BHK. So please watch the video till the end. So this is first bedroom, separate dressing area and attached bathroom. Balcony is also there, roadside facing. 30 feet tar road, own Borewell and Cauvery Water is there. So no need to worry about this bathroom. Complete brand new bathroom fittings are going to be provided. Branded ones. Semi-furnished wardrobe, light, fan, geysers. It's all included, part of the deal. So that had a balcony to the roadside facing. As usual, we will not show the outside view. You have to come personally to see the property. Some things are reserved for those buyers who spare their time to come and meet us and see the property. You are aware that RBI layout is a very posh locality, so no complaints will be there about the location of this property once you visit. Please spare some time. Come and have a look if you are interested to buy a property in RBI layout. It's a prestigious address. So this is a chandelier in the center of the staircase. There is also a skylight on top in the staircase room. We have reached the second floor. Second floor has one family hall. This is the family hall. If the house is occupied, it gives a very realistic view in our videos. For your information, you can identify the space, the room sizes easily because furniture will be there. Very easy to identify. Even this place has a chandelier, fan. Also there is a balcony. TV point is also there, TV cabinet. Balcony also covered with safety grill with a mosquito mesh. And this is the master bedroom to the southwest corner, roadside facing. With a balcony, attached bathroom, roadside facing. Wardrobe, study table. Huge bedroom, this one. Almost measuring 12 by 16 feet. This is the front balcony. attached bathroom, large bathroom, wall mounted toilet, geyser, hand wash basin and shower to the left. Now we'll go to the third bedroom. So this is the third bedroom. Even this has a balcony, wall to wall wardrobes, balcony, and there is a secret bathroom. And right in the Dev Mule, this is a L-shape balcony. Now coming to the secret bathroom, hidden right behind this wardrobe, there is a full-size bathroom. So this is the door. Large bathroom is here. Two of the bathrooms in this house are good enough to have a jacuzzi bathtub. Small alterations needs to be done. Either this one or the master bedroom which you saw, second room, you can install a jacuzzi bathtub. Now we'll go to the top floor. Top floor has the fourth room, more like a outhouse room, but it's part of the same house as it's a duplex house. So now we are seeing the terrace area and the fourth room. This is the skylight, secured with grill and toughened glass. This is the terrace. Additional security metal gate is there. Even this has clay tiles for the floor, which keeps temperature under control. Doesn't penetrate heat directly. It's covered, semi-covered roof, and this is the additional room, fourth room. Same as master bedroom with a balcony and attached bathroom. With some alterations, if you want, you can convert into home theater if you really don't need 4 rooms. Good ventilation is there, cross ventilation, right round setback space. It's a very good option. Just 3 kilometers from Outer Ring Road. Jayanagar 4 block will be about 7 kilometers from here, 6.5 to 7 kilometers. Metro station is walkable distance. About 15-20 minutes walk you can reach the metro station. And RBI layout has grown. If you have visited the Brigade Millennium main road, it has everything. Evening it becomes very lively with all food stalls, restaurants. There are nearly about 10 banks, schools. Capital School is there, Brigade School is there. Please read the description for complete details. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for latest properties.